Ever tried building a woodworking project and got stuck because the plans were confusing or missing key details? That's exactly the problem Ted's Woodworking solves. Created by certified master woodworker Ted McGrath, this platform gives you over 16,000 detailed woodworking plans, each with step-by-step instructions, clear diagrams, material lists, and cut sheets. No guesswork involved. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and pros alike, even if you don't have expensive tools. While the large download can take time, there's also a DVD option. Check the link in the description and see why thousands of woodworkers trust Ted's plans.
Hey Ted and the rest of the team over at Ted's Woodworking. It's John here from the UK, and I can't thank you enough for the plans. I can build things now that I never thought possible for me to do and make them look good. If I had to boil it down to just one single moment, I think the catalyst that started my woodworking journey, it would be the time when I purchased Ted's collection of plans. All I can say is, if you have ever wanted to get into woodworking and didn't know where to start, this is the package to get. You'll find plans to almost any project that you can think of, which makes it very easy to get started.